Hey ladies, hopping on with a little bit of information for an exciting new product that we have, our charm bar. I really wanted to bring this in for some of our summer events and kind of test the waters, see what you guys think about having a do-it-yourself charm bar. So this is going to be a couple different ways. If you want to customize your charm bracelet or charm necklace, you will need to visit us at one of our pop-up shops. Go ahead to our Facebook page. We have all of our events listed underneath our events tab. Otherwise, we do have the option to have a mystery charm bracelet or charm necklace to be made for you and shipped out as well. But just the cutest options for charms and the cutest necklace and bracelet options. But I am not able to customize them. I personally am not able to order the charms customized. So it would be a variety unless if you are able to come to one of our events. But check out, let's see if we can do this here. Check out some of these adorable charm options that we have. Everything from like neon gummy bears to some turquoise mushrooms, some retro vibes, girly vibes. Got some sports baseball heart in there, flowers, donuts, there's like a little black cow up here with a little Volkswagen van. So many, let's step back here a little, maybe you can see that better. So many adorable options for charms. Like I said, if you come to our in-person events, you can choose these and we can make this bracelet for you or necklace right there at the event. We have all the tools that we need to make that. Otherwise, if you are a person that can like risk it, order it online. We have all the pricing on there. Prices are tiered up based on how many charms you have. But we have lots of different options for necklaces and bracelets. I'll just show you a couple of them. Here's a black one, a gold one. We even have like a pink bracelet or a pink like sparkly bracelet with the charm links on there. These bracelet ones, you could also like untie the clasp there and make it like a little cute keychain if you prefer it that way. But charms are back. Definitely like back to my childhood. I had one of those like flat charm bracelets I had shared a while back, but I love this like dangly charm option and the ability to make it truly your own. So excited to bring this for you guys. If you have any questions or special requests, you can definitely send them to me and I can do my best to create you a mystery bracelet that you will love. All of these items are tarnish resistant, nickel and lead free, high quality, gold plated stainless steel, and I hope you guys truly love this experience.